Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z7672X. This Equinox also has the Midnight Package as well as the Driver Convenience Package, 30,000 miles. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Mosaic black in color. It's a one owner. It was employee owned. Clean auto check history report. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter direct injection 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.